Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
What did you have in the previous class?
Physics.
Physics. Then how come some of you were trying to join the meeting 10 minutes before only for this class? I did not understand. Did you leave your physics class? I was taking a class in another class, and 10 minutes pehle when I posted the link, I think it was 15 minutes, some of you had already entered the waiting room. You don't attend your physics classes? I don't want to name the child. You know it very well. I'm talking about 2 children. बच्चे 40 minutes का class है. This class is supposed to start at 11:20. So we are using the same link for classes, other classes also. I was teaching in another class and I had students already waiting here 15 minutes before the class. I was just entering that what is happening. So beta, please attend all your classes. I hope you're not missing out on other classes. If you were attending another class, how is it possible? We did this yesterday? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me now very quickly. Did we do this exercise? The first
No,
one?
ma'am. We did
No,
another.
ma'am, not this one.
Not this one? Chaliye, let's start. Your time starts now. You have to fill in suitable determiners. Before you fill in determiners, you all remember what are determiners? No. Very quick revision. Listen carefully. All demonstratives, this, that, these, those are put in the category of determiners. Number 1. All possessives, my, yours, his, her, its, all of these are again a category of determiners. The articles a and the are again included in determiners. Quantifiers such as some, any, much, many, little, a little, the little, few, a few, their few, they are also included in determiners. So all of these are determiners. A very quick revision. Demonstrative such as
This, that,
This,
those,
that,
these.
these, those.
okay.
Those.
Articles such as
A and the.
A and the.
very good. Articles such as a and the. Possessives such as
My, your.
yes,
His,
his, her, its, and all the quantifiers like some, any, much, some, any, much, many, little,
Few.
a little, the little, few, a few, the few. They are also all included in this category, which we call as determinants. Is it okay for everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how many of you have actually made notebooks? Tell me quickly. Nobody is made now? I knew you've not made. How many of you have new notebooks at home? Tell me, do you have notebooks at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So those who have a notebook, I'm giving you 2 minutes. Please go and bring your notebook. Those who do not have a notebook, write it in the rough. And at 5 o'clock today, you need to post with me the work that I have done today itself. Everybody needs to post. I'll just keep putting a tick in front of your name. Remember, once the school opens or once your internal marks are given, I will not give marks until I see your notebooks. Very clear. So as of now, don't write, only write the answers when, matlab you write the answers in the rough. Fair answers, we will only write in the notebook once I have discussed the answers. Abhi don't write. Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Please repeat.
Anadi, please tell, what did I say? Tell everybody.
Ma'am, I joined late. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, Anadi has joined late. Cannot share with us. Anshika Singh, you were there when I told?
Yes, ma'am.
Anshika, tell. What did I say?
Ma'am, you told us to get a notebook and write the answers in rough and then post it at 5 o'clock on the group.
Everybody needs to make a fair notebook. If you don't have a notebook, do it on a piece of paper. You can staple it, compile it, whatever. Don't go to the market to buy notebooks at this time. If you do not have notebooks, you must be having old rough registers or anything. But your work has to be posted. You compile your pages. I'm absolutely okay with that also. Even if you write on sheets, put today's date, put it in a file. Any kind of a sheet, I'm okay with it. If you cannot go out and buy a notebook, you don't find it safe, then please don't go. I'll not tell you to go to the market and buy a notebook. Whatever rough copies you have, you can take out pages and do in that. But you need to maintain a record of work. Today at 5 o'clock, all of you need to post your work. We are going to fill determiners. I'm giving you 2-3 minutes. Try and fill these determiners. Then we'll discuss the answers. As of now, do somewhere in rough or just plan your answers. There's no need to write, Abhi. If you want, we can write later when we discuss the answers. Just plan the answers quickly, beta, then we'll start discussing. Whoever finishes, just raise your hands. पता है what a blunder I did? मैंने कैमरा ऑन कर लिया. Hurry up, children, please hurry up. Are we done? Raise your hands. I'm waiting for others. Only Ria Rastogi has raised her hand. Hurry up, children. Okay, let's discuss the answers, beta. Anna, how was your trip to Dash Beach?
That.
The beach.
Uda
The
Beach.
beach, that beach, both are correct. Peter, it was wonderful. We had Dash Gala time.
Some.
We had
We had a gala time. Good. Now you can keep writing the answers once I'm checking. How was your trip to the beach? How will you write the answers? You will put on the heading determiners in your copy. You will put today's date and you write exercise 1. Heading would be determiners, today's date, exercise 1. And then you'll start writing the answers. The first, we have 2 answers. The and what is here?
Ma'am, we
Oh.
just need to write the answers.
Yes, my dear, only the answers. I'll post the PDF on the groups. You need not write the sentences, only the answers. You'll write
Okay.
1, the, comma, a. That's it. Come to the second one. Lena, we don't have dash milk.
Ma'am, much.
Any?
Much.
Any.
Much.
Any would be appropriate because if you read the answer, then you will understand that any is more appropriate. We don't have any milk. Rakesh, I will go to dash market.
The.
The market.
The market and fetch dash.
Him.
That's some.
Very good. We need
It.
dash bread too. Tell me this. We need dash bread too.
We need
Some bread.
Some.
Some bread or a bread, both
Ah.
are correct. Yes. Now let me discuss the answers again with you. We don't have dash milk.
Any.
Any.
I will go to dash market.
The.
The market and fetch.
Some.
We need dash bread too. So when you write your answers in the notebook, how will you write? Number 2, any, comma, the, comma, some, comma, a. Is it okay?
Yes.
This is how you'll write. Please post your answers, otherwise I'll call your parents today in the evening. And I'll tell them that your child is not doing the work. Snigdha, it's a lot better than dash last apartment, isn't it?
The last apartment.
The last apartment.
The.
Did you say there are 4 people living here? Pooja, yes. And we all have our dash bedrooms.
Own bedroom.
Very good. Possessives. Very good. Own. So the answers to the 4th one are the, and what is this?
Own.
Right. Number 3, the,
Own.
comma, own. 4. Sona, does dash person pay a quarter of the rent?
Any.
At.
Any.
Okay. Yes. Oh God, I forgot to tell you, distributives are also a part of determiners. Each, every, either, neither. They are also included in distributives. Sorry, determiners. So you can put this also. Does any person pay a quarter, or does each person pay a quarter of the rent? That's right. On the 1st of dash month.
Each.
Yes. On the 1st of each month or 1st of every month. Charlie, let's do this again. Does each person pay a quarter of the rent? That's right, on the 1st of every month. So the answer is each, comma, every. Remember, determiners each, every, either, neither also included. Hema, did you and dash friends have a nice holiday?
Your.
Yours.
Very good, beta. Your friends. Come to the next one. Yes, we had the best holiday of dash lives.
Our.
Our lives. Very good. OUR. Too good. 6th. Monica, I don't think I can lift dash box on my own.
Yes.
Yes box.
Beta, this, comma, that, both are correct. I need dash help.
Someone's.
Your.
Help.
I need some help. I need your help, or it can be I need some help. Both are correct. Your is also correct. Some is also correct. Oh well, I could have helped you, but I have dash awful pain. And very good. And awful pain in dash left shoulder.
My.
Good. In my left shoulder. Sameer. Dash team won the inter-school cricket tournament.
The team.
That or this, both can be correct. Beta, both are correct. You can take this also, you can take that also.
Ma'am,
They
which?
must have been here, beta. This team won. Which team also can be correct? Which can be taken, that can be taken, this can be taken. They must have been dash excitement in the match.
There should be which, because at the end there is a question.
Tell me. There
Lot
must
of.
have been a lot of excitement.
Much.
Much excitement. Good. This would be better. There must have been much excitement in the match. Which team won the inter-school cricket tournament? So which and much. Hamid. No, it was dash uninteresting match.
And.
Very good. An uninteresting match. Dash team played well.
Our.
Another.
No. Read the complete sentence, you will understand. Dash team played well, game was tie.
Both.
Each team played well, and the game was a tie. The game was a tie. Let me do this again. It was an uninteresting match. Each team played well, and the game was dash tie. What is the answer? A tie. Come to the last one. Do you have dash doubts in this topic?
Any.
Good. Any. Garima, yes, ma'am. I have dash doubts.
Some.
Some.
Some doubts in dash topic.
This topic.
In this topic. You want me to tell any of the answer again? If you have missed out
Ma'am.
writing any of the answers, yes.
Ma'am, in seventh one, it's written there must have been a. So, ma'am, why is it much?
There must have been a dash. Acha, there is a also over here. We did not
Lot
see
of.
this here. A lot of excitement in the match. If this a was not there, then we could have taken it as an excitement. There must have been excitement. A lot of excitement. Any other sentence you want me to discuss with you, children? If you've not noted down the answers, let me know. Or you could have taken a little excitement also. Both would have been correct. Sure, you've written all the answers. Exercise 1 is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Just the answers have to be written. Now we move on to the second exercise. Chalo, this we'll do together only. There aren't dash flowering plants in our garden. Asha, I'll give you 2
Ma'am.
minutes. Bolo. There aren't
Much.
Any.
aren't any, because it's a negative sentence. Negative sentences always take any. There aren't any flowering plants in a garden. So continue with your written work. You'll write exercise 2. Second, they say dash knowledge is a dangerous thing.
Little.
Little knowledge.
Little.
Little or a little. Both are correct.
A little.
A little would be better because little is negative. Okay, so a little. I'm having dash trouble passing my driving exam.
Some.
Okay, some trouble. Dash people can afford a home these days.
Some.
Few.
Many.
Many.
Many तो बेटा नहीं जाएगा इसके साथ.
Few.
Afford. Few or a few. Few or
Few.
a few.
And can we write some?
Yes, you can write some also. Dash of the information proved to be outdated.
Some of them.
Many.
Many nahi beta, information
Ma'am,
is
please
not
repeat
countable.
fourth one.
I am having some trouble passing my driving exam. Fourth, dash people can afford a home these days. It can be what? Dash people can afford a home these days. A few people, some people, anything can be taken. Dash of the information proved to be outdated. Tell me the answer.
Some.
Much.
Much.
Some.
You can take much also. Anything beta. Some and much both are correct. I didn't use dash fertilizer last spring.
Any.
Any.
Very good. Any. The garden looks awful this summer. There are 2 dash weeds.
Many.
Many.
Too
Very
many.
good. Very good. There are too many weeds. Good. On Sundays, there is not dash traffic along this road.
Any.
Any.
Much.
Much. There is not much traffic along this road. It rained heavily. Only dash children came to school.
Some.
Few.
Both are correct. Few, a few, some. All can be taken. I always keep dash money in my wallet for emergencies.
Some.
Some.
Very good. The doctor advised me to eat dash apple every morning.
An apple.
An apple.
An apple. My brother doesn't drink dash coffee.
Much.
Much.
Any.
Any coffee. My brother doesn't drink any coffee. It's a negative sentence. So it would be better to use any. So we had exercise 2. How many sentences
Ma'am, please
are there?
repeat 6, 7, 8.
I'll repeat all. Don't worry. Let's do the 6th one. One of you, please give your friend the 6th answer. Speak.
Any.
I didn't use any fertilizer. Now another child. Speak out the 7th one for your friend.
Many.
Good. Now one of you tell him the 8th one also.
Much.
Much.
Anyone else? Any doubts in any of the sentences? Have you noted down all the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Beta,
ma'am.
I've made your work so light. I don't want you to write sentences. I'm just saying single word so that your written work is maintained. Tomorrow when I have to give internal marks, I need to see that yes, your work is done. So please maintain your notebooks. Okay, let's move further. Showing you this. Do the first part. Just plan your answers, don't write. Write only once when we discuss. Do the first paragraph. Let's discuss after 2 minutes. Raise your hands, those who finished, so that I know when to discuss the answers. As soon as you finish with it, raise your hands. Okay, Snehal is done. One child, one or two more, so that I start discussing. Okay, let's start discussing. Which exercise number is this?
Third.
Ma'am, 3.
Yes, it is exercise number 3. I hope all of you are doing your written work, rough or fair, whatever. I've told you very clearly, you do not have notebooks, no problem. Write it on a paper and file your papers. Put them in one folder or one file. Dash interview can be defined as
Ma'am, and
The.
beta an interview. The is used when we have already mentioned something, and the second time we mention it, then we use the. For example, I say, there is a boy in the garden. The boy is wearing a blue shirt. Second time I can use the for the boy because I have already mentioned about the boy in the first sentence. So here we cannot use the because we are starting the word about interview just now. So an interview can be defined as dash conversation.
A conversation.
A conversation.
Yes, it is a conversation with dash definite structure and objective.
Any.
With a definite.
With a
With the
With a definite structure. We have not talked about structure anywhere. Next. It goes beyond dash everyday discussion.
R.
And
Hmm? It goes beyond an everyday discussion. We have not discussed about discussion with no particular purpose. There are dash possible interview situations.
many. There are
Any.
Very, very good. Many possible interview situations, but all involve dash interviewer.
and
Very
N.
good. An interviewer and dash interviewee.
and
and
The person who takes the interview is interviewer, and the person who is being interviewed is interviewee. It is normal for dash former,
any.
the
for the
former. What
The.
is former? अच्छा चलो अभी discuss करते हैं. It is normal for the former to ask the latter direct questions. Now understand why I use the over here. What do you mean by former?
The one that came first.
Yes. The one which came first, the one which was being mentioned first is the former. So here the interviewer is the former or the interviewee is the former?
interview.
Interviewer is the former. Read the sentence. किसके बारे में पहले बात हुआ? Interviewer or interviewee? Interviewer. So the former is interviewer and who is the latter?
Interviewee.
We have already mentioned about them once. So we are going to use the over here. It is normal for the former to ask the latter direct questions and record dash answers.
The
Hmm?
Got
Record
it.
dash answers.
The.
What answers?
The
Yes, the answers. Continue, beta. Yes, next one. Let's
The.
continue this. Very good. The questions may be prepared in advance or they may occur as
An interview.
The.
yes.
The
They may occur as the interview develops. Why we are using the now for interview?
Because it's already mentioned above.
Because it
Yes.
is already mentioned.
Good, good. The recording is often done on paper, but may also be done by audio or video recording. Interviews can take place anywhere, dash, in street, cafe, office, bar, restaurant, etc.
Any.
Hmm?
Any.
Yeah. In any street or in a street cafe. Okay, now very quickly once again, the answers, let's check them. Dash interview can be defined as
And
N.
yes. Dash conversation. Beta, one of you can read out for me this entire thing with answers. Who would do it? Who will read? Ready? One of you just read out. That's what I'm saying. You have to simply read out. Who will read out? Nobody wants to do it. Very, very bad. Dash interview can be defined as
An interview can be defined as a conversation with a definite structure and objective. It goes beyond an everyday discussion with no particular purpose. There are many possible interview situations, but all involve an interviewer and an interviewee. It is normal for the former to ask the latter direct questions and record the answers. The question may be prepared in advance or they may occur as the interview develops. The recording is often done on paper, but may also be done by any audio or video recording. Interviews can take place anywhere, in any street, cafe, office, bar, restaurant, etc.
Excellent, beta. Did you all check your answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Did we check the answers? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is an easier one. Let's do it side by side. Exercise number. What is this exercise number?
4.
4. Please write down exercise number. These answers you can write side by side because we are discussing. Once dash priest had to visit.
A priest.
A priest. Once a priest had to visit dash new city.
Uh,
Good. A new city to deliver dash lecture.
The
A lecture. We have not mentioned about lecture abhi. पहले कहीं mention नहीं हुआ है. First time mention हो रहा है. So a lecture at dash town hall.
the
Why the? Because this is a specific building. The Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. So town hall is a specific building. So we'll use the over here. He left dash hotel early.
the
He left the because we're talking about a specific hotel, not any hotel. We're talking about one hotel where he was staying. So it's a specific hotel. Definite article the. He left the hotel early and decided to walk down to dash town hall. Very good. Being dash stranger.
Being a stranger.
Very good. Being a stranger in dash new city.
In the new city.
Hmm? Yes. He soon lost dash way.
His.
His way. Very good. Possessives also. No? Use possessives. He soon lost his way. He approached dash group of children.
And
Very good. He approached a group of children and asked them for directions. After explaining dash way to him, the way, because we have already mentioned about the way over here, if you remember. So what is he doing? After explaining the way to him, one of dash boys asked him. We are using the because we've already mentioned the children. One of the boys asked him why he wanted to go dash town hall. Good. He told them that he was going there to give dash lecture. The lecture. We've already mentioned over here about lecture. The boy inquired about dash topic. The topic. Because the topic is again going to be fixed, definite topic. Inquired about the topic of dash lecture. So the boy inquired about the topic of the lecture, to which dash priest replied. Yes, the priest replied that he was going to give dash lecture. Good. He was going to give the lecture on dash way. On dash way. The way. Very good. On the way to the kingdom of heaven. Why we are using the kingdom of heaven? Because it is unique. With unique things, we always use the. The boy gave dash a hearty laugh. Very good, very good. And said, you don't know dash way.
your
Yes, you don't know your way to dash town hall. The town hall. The town hall.